Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I am going to make a new recipe, so let's get started. At first, turn on the gas and place a pan over the gas. Now I am going to toast the bread slices. Here I use 4 bread slices. Toast them well from both sides. Now turn off the gas and transfer the bread slices on a plate. Now I am going to cut them into small square pieces. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I post new videos every week. Cutting is done. Then I am going to add 1 chopped onion. Now I am adding 1 chopped cucumber. Then add 1 chopped tomato. Now I am adding 2 chopped green chilies. Then I am adding black pepper. Then goes lemon juice. Here I use half a lemon. Now add salt to taste. Here I use kala namak or black salt. Now I am adding half teaspoon of sugar. Then add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Now take a packet of kurkure. Then cut it. Now I am going to break them into small pieces. Now I am going to add the kurkure. Then mix all these ingredients well. Mixing is done. Yummy chatpata kurkure bread salad or kurkure bread chaat is ready to serve now. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.